We're supposed to be protecting our society. We're supposed to be protecting the community. We don't encourage haram in any way, shape or form. The Prophet says, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that the person that advocates good, the person that spreads good, then whatever good comes from that goodness, he gets a portion of it. Yani if I was to share a hadith, if I was to give some da'wah, and that person was to implement this hadith, or was to implement, right, and he did good in his life, then I would get the same reward as that person did. If I taught someone how to pray, or I encouraged someone to pray, then every time that person prays after that, I get the reward for that salah. But the opposite is true too. If I encourage haram, if I encourage sin, and people start doing this sin, then I get the same sin as well. My brothers and sisters, wallah, I really don't know how to say this. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. We're not a joke. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to hold every single one of us accountable. What you share on your phone, what you share on WhatsApp, what you share on Facebook, you may, wallah, for you it's simply forward. But you're going to be held responsible for every single thing you share. Everything you look at, we're going to be held responsible for it. It's one thing that I looked at haram, wallah, but if I shared this haram, if I shared this fahsha and this, if I share this and I make this abundant, then I'm going to fall into that sin. Every person that watches it, you get that sin. So we need to take matters very seriously.